What's going on, everybody? This is the Beard from Caym. This is video blog number 5. Just coming at you from the Silver Cord studio. Couldn't be more pumped. The sound is sounding ginormous. Drums are going to be thunderous. I hope you're all ready for a fucking big ass fucking album to kick your ass. Yeah, just working hard, getting everything going for the Johan, busting his ass. And yeah, and yeah, we couldn't be more pumped. Get ready, enjoy the tunes, a little sneak peek of the drum sound, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow for video number 6. Came out.